I have been promising a cable management video for a long time now, but today is the day. My setup is in shambles. My cables are such a mess. I think I want to rearrange some things, and I definitely need to clean some things. I think I'm going to just take everything down and start from scratch. Let's go.
Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you baby, come me.
I don't even know what this cord is for. Like, what is this for? I don't know. Debating on moving it over so it's back in line with this one. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna try that out.
I just wanna rewind. I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so lonely. Even when you...
Let's clean this PC with a dramatic montage. All right, now that that's done, let me show you everything I use to manage these cables. These cable ties are my holy grail. They have this adhesive on them so you can stick it underneath your desk or to the wall or wherever you need to, and you can put a bunch of cables in here. I also really like using Velcro cable ties. These are great for wrapping wires together or securing them to like a mount or something. And lastly, I use these little twist ties. Again, these are great for holding cables together or securing them in a certain position. And I'll have all of this stuff linked down in the description for y'all. I have this USB hub under my desk and it frees up some USB slots on my PC. And I also don't have to run all of those cables to my PC. They can just go in right here. And then I use a USB extension cord to connect the hub to my PC. My Alex drawers help so much with hiding my cables. I can fit so much behind here and it's all completely hidden. This is like a huge plus to having these. I essentially route all of my cables to either side of the desk, and then I funnel them down behind my drawers.
Was lost